Hey guys, this is Carly Cakes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am teaching you how to do this look. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Today we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. It has a lot of good neutrals and dark burgundies in there. They're already primed and powdered. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here and run it in the crease. What this is going to do is just soften up the eyeshadow primer and prepare for any further shadow. Now we're going to go in with, let's go in with this one to darken up the crease a little bit. Same thing as before. It's all about layering. Go in with a smaller brush. And we are going to load that up with this dark orange shade. Pack that on the outer corner. I'm going back in with that first shade just to blend out the edges. Back into this darker brown to blend through the crease. Okay, I'm going to go in with a more dense, fluffy brush. And we're going to go in with this dark brown to deepen the crease. If your eyeshadow gets too messy, you can always take a contouring kind of brush like this and get you some translucent powder of any kind. Take a little bit on the brush, tap off the excess, and carve out the shape of your eyeshadow. Take some of that orange and warm up the crease a bit. Then I take that big fluffy brush and go in with my white eyeshadow and blend the very top. Soften it up quite a bit. I'm going to now dust away the bake. I'm just going to run the remaining pigment onto the lower lash line now. And kind of connect it with that outer V. And I'm noticing this year, it's kind of a Halloween trend to put warm colors surrounding your eyes to give yourself that kind of sickly dead look. So that's what I'm doing today. Make myself look like I have a cold, but it's actually just makeup. Okay, so now I am going to go in with that more dense brush with the dark browns on it, tap it off a little bit, and run it on the outer corner. Just to darken it up a bit. Go ahead and grab my edging brush, this flat edge brush, and dip it into this dark brown to align my lower lash line. To go in to this coppery kind of brown shade, shimmery brown, and I'm going to place that on my lid. So now I'm gonna take a little flat synthetic and put this lighter shade on my inner corner. And I'm also going to put it on my brow bone. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup, and I will be right back with the outro. How I did the lipstick was I used this, I put this on first, and then I topped it off with the Glitter Goals. This is liquid eyeshadow, but I put it on top of my lipstick, and it turned out really cute. I really like the way it shines in the light. It's subtle, but also very beautiful. It's not like boom, bam, wow, but it is definitely cute. So yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love the fall, so this is definitely my time to shine. Like the video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.